In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to your Wix website pages. SEO tutorial. Meta tags help search engines understand your page and can influence how your site appears in search results. We'll add them directly in the Wix editor so they load in the page head and are picked up correctly. Start by signing into your Wix account and opening the editor for the site you want to work on. Once the editor loads, open your page list and select the exact page you want to optimize. Working at the page level is important because each page can have different SEO needs. With the page selected, open its settings. First, visit the SEO Basics area. This is where you'll see the page title and meta description fields. Make sure those are accurate and persuasive, since they're often what users see in search results. You don't need to add a separate description tag in the advanced area if you've filled it out here. Next, switch to Advanced SEO. Scroll until you find the Additional Tags section. This is where you can add custom meta tags that aren't covered in the basic fields. Click Add New Tag. You'll see inputs for the tag's name and its content. In the name field, type the meta name or property you need, and in the content field, add the exact value. For example, you might add name set to robots with content set to index, follow, or use a site verification name and paste the code value provided by your analytics or search console tool. If you're adding social tags like Open Graph, be sure to use the correct property names and matching content, and avoid duplicating tags that Wix already manages elsewhere. After entering the tag, apply your changes. If you're adding more than one tag to the same page, repeat that process here so they're all stored together. Keep tags concise, use only standard names and values, and avoid duplicates across site-level and page-level settings. When you're done, save your work, then publish the site so the changes go live. Publishing ensures the new tags are present in the live page head, which is what search engines and link previews read. Finally, confirm your update by clicking Done. A few quick tips before we wrap up. View your live page source to double-check that your tags appear exactly once and are in the head. Give search engines time to recrawl, and use your preferred SEO tools to validate the tags. If something doesn't look right, return to the same Additional Tags area, edit the entry, apply, save, and publish again. That's it. Your Wix page now includes the meta tags you need for